Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Before we hop into today's video, I just want to say, please leave a comment. It helps so much. Hearing your opinions, your feedback, thoughts. Please, it helps so much. You don't even know how much it helps, especially for a small channel like mine. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Guys, I almost forgot. You're gonna want to take this out before you open your gearbox, or else that spring will go flying and it could break something. There you go. Now you're safe. That is beautiful. Guys, just take a look at this. That is beautiful. Lightning. Oh, yeah. We're not going to be touching the tappet plate because I am prone to lose this spring. But I will do a video on tappet plates sometime. There you guys have it, full disassembly. I will have the VFC Avalon pop-up unit disassembly coming soon. Thanks guys.